Hey guys! In this video, we are going to learn about the common dance terms used in folk dancing. Aside from your knowledge about these terms, it is really important that you know how to demonstrate and execute it properly. With the help of our demonstrators, we are going to show you how to interpret, demonstrate, and execute the common dance terms used in folk dancing and its movements. Here are Chesley, Neil, Hannah, and Christian. Abracete. Girl at the right side holds right arm of partner with her left hand and free hands down at the sides. This term is of Spanish origin and is used in rigodon and in other dances. Arms in lateral position. Both arms are at one side, either sideward right or left. This may be done at shoulder level, chest level, or waist level. Arms in reverse T position. Arms are side horizontal, bent elbows at the right angle, forearms parallel to the head, palms forward or facing inward. Arms in T position. Arms are side horizontal, elbows bent down at right angles, palms facing forward or facing inward. Costados. When dancers are in square formation, the couples occupying the length of the hall are called costados. Crossed arms. This may be done by partners standing side by side or facing each other. They join their left hands together and their right hands together, either right over left or left over right hands. Crossed arms. Cut. To displace quickly one foot with the other, thus completely taking off the weight of the body from the displaced foot. Cut. Dosido or dos a dos. Both advance forward. Pass each other's right or left side. Step across to the right or left side to proper places. This is of foreign origin and is used in many Philippine dances. This may also perform by stepping forward or backward across your partner. Free foot. The foot not bearing the weight of the body. Partners are raising their right foot, and it does not bear the weight of their body. Free hand. The hand not placed anywhere or not doing anything. Hands on waist. This can be done by placing your hands at the waistline. Hapay. To flourish or offer a handkerchief, hat, or glass of wine to somebody as a sign of invitation. Hayon-hayon. To place one forearm in front and other at the back of the waist. The basic movement of Hayon-hayon is moving your arms alternately forward and at the back of your waist. Hop. A spring from one foot landing on the same foot in place or in any direction. This can be done in front, in rear, sideward, or across. Inside foot. The foot nearest to the one's partner when partners stand side by side. Inside hand. The hand nearest to one's partner when partners stand side by side. On the video, partners are pointing their inside foot. Partners are raising and shaking their outside hand, and they are pointing their outside foot, and they join their inside hand. Bilao. To turn palms of hands up and down alternately. Hands at waist level in front and elbows close to waist. Brush. Weight in one foot hit the floor with the ball or heel of the other foot, after which that foot is lifted from the floor to any direction. Counterclockwise. This is the reverse direction of clockwise. Left shoulder is toward the center of an imaginary circle. When facing the center, the movement is toward the right. Cabezeras. When dancers are in square formation, the couples occupying the width of the hall are called cabezeras or head couples. Clockwise. Like the motion of the hands of the clock, right shoulder is toward the center of an imaginary circle. When facing the center, the movement is toward the left. Hayon. Partners turn around clockwise with right elbows almost touching, or counterclockwise with left elbows almost touching, using walking or any kind of step. The hands near each other are on waists. This is a Tagalog term but of Spanish origin. Jump. It is a spring on both feet, landing on both feet in any direction. You can jump forward, backward, and even side by side. Kumintang. Moving the hands from the wrist either in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This is an Ilocano term. Lip. A spring from one foot landing on the other foot or in any direction. Masiwak. To turn the hands from wrist halfway clockwise, then raise the lower wrist once or twice. This is an Ibanag term. Outside foot. The foot away from one's partner when partners stand side by side. Outside hand. The hand away from one's partner when partners stand side by side. Patay. To bend the head downward and support the forehead with the right or left forearm or with the crook of the right or left elbow. This is usually done with the left or right foot pointing in rear and knees lightly bent. This is an Ilocano term and the movement is commonly found in Ilocano dances. Point. Touch the floor lightly with toes of one foot, while weight of the body is on the other foot. Salok. To swing the arm downward and upward, passing in front of the body as if scooping. The trunk is bent forward, following the movement of the arm, doing the salok. This is a Tagalog term. Saludo. Partners bow to each other, to audience, or opposite dancers, or to the neighbors with feet together. This term is of Spanish origin and is used in almost Philippine dances. Sarok. Cross the left or right foot in front of the left or right, bend the body slightly forward, and cross the hands down in front of the right or left hand, over the left or right hand. This is a Visayan term. Set. A dance formation like a square or a unit formation composed of two or more pairs. Slide. To glide foot smoothly along the floor. The movement may be finished with or without transfer of weight. Stomp. To bring down the foot forcibly and noisily on the floor, like doing a heavy step, with or without transfer of weight. Star with right hand. 4 or more people joint right hands at the center and circle around clockwise, using walking or any kind of dance step. Star with left hand. As star with right hand, but joining left hands and turning counterclockwise. Supporting foot. It is the foot that bears the weight of the body. Tap. To rub slightly with the ball or toe of the free foot, flexing the ankle joint, keeping weight of the body on the other foot. There is no change or transfer of weight. Whirl. To make fast turns by executing small steps in place, to right or left.